Hello everyone, Stepney Productions 55 here, and I have this Hornby J94 that's struggling to start. See, it only ever runs so far and stops. If I turn the power up for about 60. Yeah, it's only ever running so far and stops. Oh. Just dropped something on the floor. Yeah. Try it the other way. Oh, a little bit better backwards. But yeah, I'm going to teach you guys how to service your engines. Alright, so you see these bearings there? And the crank pins, well, I think they're called crank pins. And this big gear. Yeah, if that's dry, you want some lubricant on it. And it's also handy just putting a little bit of drop of oil on the bearings, just to help them run smooth, help it run smoothly. Excuse me. Yeah, so I'm going to put some oil on. I recommend one of these these oily pens. You can get them on eBay, about £6. Then when the oil runs out, just go to your local Home Bargains, or you can probably get them in a pound shop if you still have a pound shop in your local area, because I know a lot of them have closed down. Yeah, get some sewing machine oil. Sewing machine oil works as well, or you can use Pico Power Lube. I've not tried any myself, but I know it's quite good. So yeah, I'll put some lubricant on, and then we'll see if it improves. Okay. Hopefully you can see that I've put a bit of lubricant on the drive gear. You also want a bit on the you can do the crank pins, which are those bits, and also those bearings I talked about, which I'm going to do. And then we'll put it on the truck and see it running. You can use grease as well. I've used that on my Terriers, and works quite well. Oh, not too fast, not too fast. You've got to let the oil just bed in. Wonder if the track's dirty. Yeah, look, the track's dirty. Let's get them cleaned. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, it's running a lot better. I also cleaned the wheels on the Loco, and I'll show you another little tip. Yeah, nice. Clean the backs of them here. Bloody focus. Focus. There, clean the backs of them, because that's also where your pickups are. If you've got oily and dirty pickups, because I've seen a lot of engines where the wheels have been cleaned, like only the top bits, and then the bearings and the pickups are all really dirty and manky. Yeah, I'm really happy with this J94. I've wanted one for about 10 years. Let's compare it next to the old Dapol one from the 1980s. Thicker wheels and rods, thinner wheels and rods, thicker handrails, thinner handrails. Yeah, I'm very happy with this, and I've even got an Airfix J94 body. Hang on one second. Okay, those who those who are friends with me on Discord will have seen this in that it was like a maroon. It said Harry on the sides. Yeah, well, I've sprayed it in Tamiya light grey primer. Yeah. Whoever built this kit, actually, these bits are supposed to be down here, but it doesn't matter. Yeah. I'm going to paint this blue. Maybe turn it into NCB livery, because I'm making quite a few NCB wagons and a brake van. Or might not bother with a brake van, I'm not sure. But yeah. Actually, no, I will make a brake van. Yeah, so this looks good. I'm very happy with it. I originally did spray it black. Just normal black spray paint. There's the primer. Yeah. And then the blue didn't look right, so I waited while it dried. Primed it again. And I'm gonna after I've edited this video, I'm gonna get on with the blue blitz. I'm also gonna have a NCB blue wagon in the same livery, just for fun. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, like, share, and subscribe. I'll drop a link to the Discord server and some other Discord servers that I'm in. There's some really great people on Discord. Yeah. So Stepney Productions sign off. Stepney Productions 55 sign off.